The Tennessee Colleges of Applied Technology offer certificates and diplomas in many technical career fields that can have you workforce ready in months, not years. Your career begins here with the application process. Before we start the online application, let's review some general admissions requirements. To be admitted to a TCAT, you must be 18 years of age or have a high school diploma or its equivalent. So let's start with some preliminary homework. First, find a TCAT and program of interest. Then, complete the FAFSA for access to financial aid and scholarships. Finally, schedule a call with an advisor or schedule a campus tour to get any questions you may have answered. To get started, visit the website of the TCAT you would like to attend. On the navigation bar, you'll choose Future Students. Next, select Admissions from the drop-down menu, and then click the Apply Now button to begin the application process. You will be greeted with a login page. If you have never submitted an application before, you'll need to create an account by selecting First-Time User. Or if you have an account, simply select Returning User to log in to your account. To create an account, you'll need to enter a working email address along with your name and birth date. After clicking Continue, you'll be taken to a page requesting a temporary PIN, which will be sent to the email you just registered with. Once you retrieve your temporary PIN, enter it and other verifying information to log in. Once logged in, you will be directed to a page to set your password. Follow the guidance on the page to create a strong password for your account. After setting your password, you'll be taken to your applications page. Here you can either start a new application or open past applications. Your first step will be to select your application type depending on your situation. Next, you will select the term you are applying for. Then, select Continue to move on to the next section of the application. In the next section, you'll provide your personal contact information. Depending on your answers, additional questions may appear. Please be sure to answer all fields that appear throughout the application process. Next, you'll complete the personal information section and click Continue when finished. In the next section, you'll be asked to describe the highest level of education your parents have completed. Under Education History, you'll be asked to list your prior education experiences, beginning with your high school. Click Add New to start the process. A pop-up window will allow you to add information about your high school attendance or GED completion. Click Save to close. If you wish to add any prior college experience, simply repeat this process and save to close. Once you are finished adding all your education history, click Continue. At this point, you will see a list of programs available at your chosen TCAT. Select your desired program. Depending on what you choose, new questions may appear. Answer those before clicking Continue. You will be asked if you have an affiliation with the military, with new questions appearing depending on the answers you provide. You may be asked to give permission for the TCAT to obtain a joint services transcript on your behalf. While not required for admission, checking this box may lead to possible college credit based on your military service. Next, complete the section on immunizations and click Continue when finished. You'll need to provide proof of your identity by supplying a copy of a valid ID, such as your Tennessee driver's license or a passport. You can do this through the portal or at a later time. Once you have completed all sections, you can provide an e-signature to begin the review process. Click Confirm when you are ready. After providing a signature, the system will review your application for any missing information. You may click on the section needing correction, or you can save for later and return at another time. Once you have corrected any errors, you may now submit your application by clicking Submit Application. Once you click Submit, you will be directed to an application status page, such as this one. If you've been asked to submit any documents, you may do that here. If not, your application is now complete. So, what's next? TCAT staff will review your application. If all admissions requirements are met, a decision code will be added to your application. Next, you'll receive an email about your acceptance, and a second email will be sent with instructions on activating a campus email address for future communications. After you receive your TCAT email address, you'll be able to access the TCAT student portal. Here, you'll find information about your application, financial aid, orientation, and other events and activities. As you can see, the application process is easy. Visit tbr.edu/start to find a TCAT and program near you, or contact your selected TCAT directly to learn more. At Tennessee Colleges of Applied Technology, we build careers.